Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, beautiful shoes designs, new and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy in the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women comfortable shoes designs, beautiful attractive shoes designs and ideas. Those ladies who love to wear such type of shoes designs. Top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, beautiful slip-on shoes designs, casual wear and party wear shoes designs. Every types of shoes you can see in this my video. Fantastic ideas you can see. If you want to buy this very beautiful shoes design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.